Hello everyone, this is day 1 of cleaning my pool for the season. So to start, I hooked the pump up and got the water draining while I started all the other stuff. I pulled all the dead floaties out, RIP Mr. Bear. I picked up all the trash that was in the pool and around the area. Day 1's pretty simple. It's not necessarily cleaning the pool, but more of what's around it instead. Like I had to trim all of these dead vines that were in the way on the diving board. I also had to trim this tree to make it look nicer because it's just in the way. I took a break and then I started trimming this bush. I also wanted to fix up the shed too, but I figured out the vines up there are poison ivy, so no. I want to talk about why my pool is so gross. Basically, we live in the Midwest, so the pool freezes over the winter and we can't use it, so it just saves money to let it get gross and then clean it all out for the season, and it's really not that hard anyways. Our pool isn't perfect. It came with the house and it's over 60 years old, so what do you expect? Hello everyone, finally it is day 2 of cleaning my pool for the season. First we had to brush up all the algae to the top of the pool so that we could scoop it into the bucket and get it out. There's Mal. This is what it looked like when we had all of the gunk actually out of the pool. Then we had to rinse it down so that we didn't slip because it is very slippery and I actually almost fell earlier and we don't want that. So this is what it looked like. When we were done rinsing, we had to do some brushing. Then we rinsed that down. It's basically just a repetitive process of cleaning and rinsing and brushing. This is me taking a smoothie break, and that's kind of what it looked like. Now we drain and wait for part 3. So come back, please. Hello everyone, it is day 3 of cleaning my pool for the season. So everyone was asking about a power nozzle, so we brought it out, but as you can tell, it wasn't working very well. So we ended up just scrubbing and then power washing, and I have some time lapses that I will post later. And this is what it looked like when we were done. So here is some satisfying scrubbing action if you wanted more like satisfying stuff. We were so close to getting it drained, and then we finally got all of the green stuff out, and that's what it looked like. So we cut this light that broke out, and I know it looks really dangerous, but it hasn't worked in 4 years, so we just put some flex tape over it to seal it up. Then we finally busted out the power nozzle again and just did the finishing touches. So now we're done and we're filling. Come back for part 4. Hello everyone, it is day 4, the final day of cleaning my pool for the season. So to finish up the pool, I power washed the deck, and then a lot of people were telling me I should do the diving board as well. So I did that, and this is what it looked like. Here's some little clips of the pool actually filling up. And to top the pool off, I obviously had to blow up and clean off our very dirty floaties. And this is the final product. A lot of people were saying the pool is still dirty, but that's just the wear and tear from being over 50 years old. But none of that matters because it is clear and blue. So I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has followed me and stuck around because I love every single one of you. Thanks so much. There's ducks in my pool. I don't really know. Oh my god. Please come here. Please, can I speak to you? Can I please speak to you? I have something to say. No. Everyone, the ducks are back.
No, they're not back. There are 2 other ones.
Gay ducks. They're coming for me.